Well, it's Friday. Mama filled it up a little bit much. Yep. I'm gonna drain it down. I'm gonna backwash it and clean that filter real good. I just let it backwash. We'll get started for today. I decided to break this thing out and see if it's gonna work. That's 3 hoses. You got 3 hoses, Robert. I checked the oil on it. It's good to go. Just filled it up with gas, and I don't know how long it's been since you run it, but I'm gonna start here. That won't take no time. Then I'm going right over there. Yep. So we will see. I ain't even tried to crank it, and I already put the water to it. There she is. Yeah, let's do that right there. Yeah, it's working. Alright, enjoy. I want to see if it'll crank. What it takes to get it crank. Just like mine.